ngizohlonipha iconstitution or umthethosisekelo weparty, angeke ngizi-involve kwizinto ezi-divisive, izinto ama-factional activities, meaning ukwenza ama-programs usuke la manje wena i-program yakho is not approved by the coordinator, because every program sijule ukuthi ayithunyelwe uku-coordinate. Wena uyokubiza abantu uthi wena ubiza abantu for umkhonto wesizwe, ufika lapho ubatshela amanga ngomkhonto wesizwe, then the following day nasokuya abanye bathi simkhonto wesizwe, we can do this. Already abasasihloniphi because wena ufikile wakhuluma amanga. That is something i-constitution engayivumeli. So mawusayina umkhonto wesizwe constitution, awusiyi-member yakabusisiwe Mkhwebane, uyimember yomkhonto wesizwe. Therefore ungaloku uhleli ukuthi mina ngingumkhonto wesizwe ka busisiwe Mkhwebane or ka Mary Phadi or ka Babu Gamede or ka Babu Sikhwameni Kuna because naye was once, or ka Babu Mdluli because naye was once a leader. Leaders bayadlula, wena vikela umkhonto wesizwe. So ofanele nikwenzeke nikwazi ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uDeputy Convener ukhulumile. Sino president oyi number 1. Sina royal houses, amakhosi nama like kings and queens. Sine council of traditional and religious leaders. By number 3 nabanje kwi hierarchy umkhonto wesizwe. And then bese khani siloba nama national officials, the ones we call high command, laba abayi 9 manje. Kube president, deputy president, kube SG,